Deep inside the untouched forest, madness worked in silence, as CH-01 created something no human ever should. And there it was, the animal control device. A machine capable of bending the wild to his twisted will.
With power in his hands, laughter filled the forest like the cry of a new nightmare.
But destiny guided another traveler into the shadows, a hero seeking peace, unaware of the storm ahead.
Then came the sound no hero could ignore.
Following the cries, he reached the source, and what he saw froze his breath. Nature's giants were no longer free, their minds trapped in CH-01's machine.
Strength turned into weapons, innocence turned into chaos. The hunter had already sensed his visitor, and chaos was eager to greet him. With a single tap, madness spread through the forest. The forest trembled as the first giant obeyed the machine. For the first time, the hunter became the hunted. Cornered by fury, with nowhere left to run. But the forest had a guardian, a king who feared no device. Against the will of machines, strength alone would not fall. While giants clashed, the hero pursued the true enemy.
At last, the source of chaos was in the right hands.
And with one final strike, the forest was freed.
But the forest remembered its pain, and justice took a wild form. In the end,
And balance returned to the wild, thanks to the hero who protected it.